Welcome back to AZE English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is planning a weekend trip.
This is a fun topic because many English learners want to talk about travel, but they don't always know the simple words to plan a trip.
Exactly. And planning a weekend trip is something we all do. Choosing a place, checking the weather, deciding what to do.
Ben, do you like weekend trips?
I love them. Last month, I went to a small town near the sea. It was quiet and relaxing.
That sounds nice. I usually go to the mountains. Fresh air, good views, perfect for a break.
So today, we'll listen to a conversation between two friends planning a weekend trip together.
All right, let's go to the scene. Listen carefully.
Hey, do you want to go somewhere this weekend?
Yeah, that sounds great. Where do you want to go?
Maybe the beach? I heard the weather will be sunny.
The beach is nice. Do you want to go on Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday is better for me.
Okay. Should we go in the morning?
Yes, early morning. Less traffic.
True. What do you want to do there?
We can walk, swim, and maybe eat lunch near the water.
Sounds perfect. Should we take the bus or drive?
Let's drive. It's faster.
Good idea. I can bring snacks.
And I'll bring water and sunscreen.
Great. I'm excited.
Me too. It will be a fun trip.
That was a great conversation. Very natural and simple.
Yes, and I like how they planned everything step by step. The day, the time, the activities, and what to bring.
My favorite part was when they talked about going early to avoid traffic. Very realistic.
I agree. And now, let's look at some useful words from the conversation.
Weekend. Saturday and Sunday. Example, I relax on the weekend.
Traffic. Many cars on the road. Example, there is a lot of traffic in the morning.
Sunscreen. Cream that protects your skin from the sun. Example, I use sunscreen at the beach.
Drive. To use a car. Example, let's drive to the beach.
Try planning your own weekend trip in English. Choose a place and say what you want to do.
You can also practice with a friend. Ask each other questions like, when do we go? Or what should we bring?
Tell us in the comments, where would you like to go this weekend?
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the AZE channel for more English listening practice.
See you in the next episode.